In today's video, I will show you how to lower ping and fix lag in Roblox on PS5. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Roblox and gaming tips. So the first step is to power cycle your home network. Unplug your modem or router for 30 to 60 seconds, plug them back in and wait for the network to reset. Launch Roblox and check if your connection has improved. If lag persists, go to the PS5 home screen, then go to Settings, then Network, and then again Settings, then Setup, Internet Connection. Wired connection are always recommended for faster and more stable internet, and if you prefer Wi-Fi, highlight your network and press the options buttons on your controller. Scroll down and select Wi-Fi frequency bands. If your PS5 is close to the router, select 5 GHz only. If your PS5 is far from the router, select 2.4 GHz only. So placing your PS5 closer to the router will maximize speed and reduce lag. Step 5 is configure custom DNS. So go to advanced settings, scroll down to DNS settings, and by default DNS is set to automatic, but you can set a custom DNS for potentially faster connection. Options are Cloudflare, DNS, and Google DNS. After entering your preferred DNS, select OK to save, and your PS5 will reconnect to the internet. Launch Roblox again and check for improvements in ping and lag, and that's it. That's how you can lower ping and fix lag in Roblox on PS5. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.